In this video, I'll guide you through the essential features and functions of the Instax Square SQ6. We'll cover everything from powering it on and understanding its various modes, to loading film and storing your instant prints. To power on, locate the power switch on the top of the camera. Slide it to on, and the lens will extend. The shutter button is located on the front of the camera. Press it fully to capture an image. Use the viewfinder on the back for image composition. Look directly through it to align the O mark in the center for accurate framing. The self-timer lamp on the front indicates the self-timer countdown. The AE light sensor window and flash sensor window measure ambient light and flash output for correct exposure. Ensure they remain unobstructed. The lens retracts when the camera is off, functioning as its own cover. The selfie mirror on the front assists with framing self-portraits. This is your flash lamp face. It provides extra light for your photos, helping to brighten your subjects, especially when there isn't much natural light available. Keep it positioned at the top of the camera when you're shooting. The SQ6 includes orange, green, and purple flash filters. These fit over the flash lamp face to modify the color of your flash. Since all modes on the SQ6 utilize the flash by default, these filters can be used across any mode where the flash fires. On the back of the camera, the mode button cycles through available shooting options. The self-timer button activates a 10-second countdown for delayed capture. The flash suppressing button controls flash activation. By default, the flash is always on. Press this button to toggle flash on or off. The mode indicators illuminate to display the selected setting. The film eject slot is located on the top. Ensure it remains clear during photo ejection. Once powered on, the camera defaults to auto mode. This mode automatically adjusts brightness and flash settings for general photography. Press the mode button to select selfie mode. Selfie mode optimizes focus and brightness for close-up self-portraits. Selecting macro mode is suitable for subjects 1 to 1.6 feet or 30 to 50 centimeters away, and is ideal for capturing detail. For sharp results in macro, focus on the upper right of the center of your subject. Landscape mode is recommended for subjects 6.5 feet or 2 meters or farther away, such as scenic views or wide architectural shots. This mode maintains sharpness across a broader depth of field. Double exposure takes two separate pictures and layers them into a single instant print. This lets you combine different scenes or subjects, creating unique and artistic effects right in one photo. Use Lighten mode to increase image brightness if photos appear underexposed. When using custom filters, as I did for this image, Lighten mode can be particularly effective in compensating for light loss and ensuring a brighter, more visible result. Darken mode reduces image brightness if photos are too bright. You can also use it creatively to make silhouette images, especially on sunny days when you can emphasize a subject's outline. The tripod socket located on the bottom allows for secure attachment to a tripod or monopod for stabilized shooting. Strap hooks are situated on either side of the camera for attaching a strap. The camera comes with a Fujifilm strap. I use a separate camera case with an integrated strap which offers both protection and convenience. The case includes an internal zippered pouch for secure storage of ejected prints. The front section of the case detaches via snap buttons on the bottom. The base of the case features an opening for the tripod socket. The SQ6 uses two CR2 lithium batteries. Always replace both batteries simultaneously. The film counter display indicates the number of remaining exposures. The film pack confirmation window allows visual verification that a film pack is loaded. The back cover lock makes it easy to open the camera's rear compartment. Power off the camera before replacing the film pack. It will show 0 once all 10 pictures in the film pack have been taken. Open the back cover by pulling down the back cover lock lever. Remove the empty film pack by gently gripping its slots and pulling outward. It's important not to open a new film pack until you are ready to load it into the camera. Align the yellow mark on the film pack with the corresponding yellow mark inside the camera's film compartment. Gently insert the film pack. Ensure you only touch its outer rim to avoid damaging the film. Close the back cover securely. The film counter will display S, indicating a loaded film pack that has not yet ejected the film cover. Power on the camera and press the shutter button to expel the protective film slide. This is the ejected film slide. Feel free to discard it. The film counter now displays 10, indicating a full film pack. Now you can take your first picture. Carefully remove the image once it has fully ejected. Once the print first comes out, it will appear white. The image develops in about 90 seconds. You don't need to wave it around, just give it time, and you'll see your image slowly appear. This image was created using selfie mode with a chandelier crystal in front of the lens. You could try incorporating elements like custom filters, floral props, or even creating double exposures with paintings or a floral shower curtain to create unique instant photos. Photo albums are ideal for storing your prints. They provide essential protection from dust, fingerprints, and light, which can preserve your images for years. For long-term preservation, store your photo albums in a cool, dry location, away from extreme temperatures and humidity. If you enjoyed this guide on the Instax SQ6, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more creative tutorials and head over to megandmorrow.com for additional resources and inspiration.